popular saying, "There is strength in numbers" is not in vain, especially when purchasing health coverage plan. It is for this reason that most employers offer group health plans for their employees at minimal rates. Then again, group plan is not always the best option. If you are relieved of your duties at work, or opt to start a sole proprietorship business, you'll be astonished at the cost of health insurance. Individual health coverage are usually obtained from the private market and are not in any way linked to the benefits offered at the workplace. Whereas this type of insurance is commonly referred to as individual health plan, it caters for your children and spouse. Therefore, if you are thinking of buying individual plan, you will find this article quite an interesting read. To find out more, keep reading this article to the very end. The secret to obtaining the best insurance coverage plan is to do a little bit of research. You need to ask as many questions as possible. Listed below are some of the questions that you need to ask. Do you want to retain the services of your personal physician? If you have a family doctor or a certain physician whose services you prefer, it will determine if you buy a PPO or an HMO. The former allows you to visit your personal physician's office, while the latter compels you to utilize the health coverage plan network of physicians. What are some of the healthcare needs required by your family? Prior to selecting an individual health insurance coverage plan, you need to contemplate about the health services which your family will require from time to time. For example, if you have an asthmatic child, you will need to take him to a specialist every now and again, so as to keep the asthma in check. How much are you willing to pay in premiums on a monthly basis? In addition to premiums, you need to consider your out-of-pocket expenditures. If you would like to obtain a comprehensive health insurance coverage plan, while at the same time minimizing your out-of-pocket costs, then you need to consider HMO. On the other hand, if you do not have children and would like to save some money in the process, consider purchasing a plan that only caters for tragic ailments.